grow up? Yes, Peter Pan led the Lost Boys in a fight against Peter Pan and his band of pirates.
Captain Hook, what you doing? I'm looking for the captain of the Lost Boys, Peter Pan. It is he who cut off my arm and threw it to a crocodile. He liked the taste of my hand so much that he's been following me around ever since, from land to land, from sea to sea. But by some lucky chance, he swallowed a clock. A clock? Aye, and it goes tick-tock within him. So before he can catch me, I can hear the tick-tock and run. What was that? The croc? The croc! Never smile at a crocodile. No, you can't get friendly with a crocodile. Don't be taken in by his welcome grin. He's a magic in how well you fit within his skin. Never smile at a crocodile. Never tip your hat and stop to talk about. Never run, walk away. Say good night, not good day. Clear the island, never smile at Mr. Crocodile. You may very well be well bred. Lots of etiquette in your head. But there's always some special case, time or place to forget etiquette. For instance, Adam, boys! Never smile at a crocodile. No, you can't get friendly with a crocodile. Don't you see? Imagining how